Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with my last Destash video for today. I have a priority large flat rate box, and this is going to be PayPal friends and family, US 18 years old or older. Please play within an hour of receipt of email confirmation, and my email address is fphandmade@gmail.com. So let's get started. So this lot is 45 ship. It's 45 ship. And it starts off with these embossing folders from Anna Griffin and Cuttlebug. And these embossing folders are long, but they're kind of cool because they have two different designs. And I hope you can see the design here. It's kind of like a Moroccan one and a frame, another frame, and then a geometric design. And this one has a really pretty floral. It's they all have names, but they're kind of hard to pronounce. And then this one is kind of a curly one. And then this one has it's flower bubbles and mosaic petals. So I guess these are the mosaic petals and these are the flower bubbles. So let me try again. These are peacock stripes and perennials. This one is Greek key and grand calligraphy. So this is a Greek design. And then this one is quarterfoil and knit frame. So knit frame and the quarterfoil. So those are by Anna Griffin and Cuttlebug. Next up, I have a couple of paper pads. I have this Bliss one, 6x6 by My Mind's Eye. It's 24 sheets. And then I think I used maybe one or two, and then I do have a little remnant in here. And this one is For the Record, a 6x6 paper pad by Echo Park. And I think this entire pad is here. And then this is another 6x6 Echo Park pad, and this one's called Victoria Garden. Super pretty. I think I counted that they're all over there. And last but not least, the paper pad is Woodland Grove by Maggie Holmes. This is the 6x8 36 sheets. That's pretty. And I know you guys have seen this all over, but here you go. Then I have some other items here. I have these pewter picture clips where you can just, like hang up a cord up and then attach these for photos. Then I have the Woodland Grove 10-piece stamp set. I have the Market Square 41 stickers here, puffy stickers. Then I have the Garden Party puffy stickers. There may be one missing here, I'm not sure. Then I have these stickers from Bo Bunny, super pretty. A lot of alphas here, in the coppery color, super pretty. Simple Stories, this simple vintage indigo garden, 30 stickers, but they're chipboard. And then that one is there, it's just fell below. So it's really pretty too. I also have a 6x8 paper pad, Maggie Holmes Marigold. So it's pretty. I may have used one sheet of that. And then I have a stack of paper from Martha Stewart, not Martha Stewart, Anna Griffin, I'm sorry. And it's really pretty design with this bird design in different colors. Look how pretty that is. And the back sides are just the solid colors. And then a little bit of this design here. Oops, that tall, I'm not sure. I can't remember. It's been so long since I dealt with that design. And then we have some paper falling, some chipboard here. Let me show you this other paper. I'm sorry. I think these are mostly Maggie Holmes sheets. Flourish, Sunny Day, a little garden party, some more garden party, even more garden party. Yep, so that's the last of the paper. Then I have some chipboards here. This one is by My Bright Light, and this is American Craft. Really neat. And this one here is called La La Love. Great paper. This is Bo Bunny, Collecting Moments, Not Things. Well, I think that's just the same. Sorry. This one is Sweet Clementine. This is a cute one from Chamel. The Little Mermaid's on there. She's cute. All of them are cute. And this is called, I don't know. Let's see. Oh, Head in the Clouds. So kind of cute. Look at that. It's so cute with that unicorn. Then we have Garden Party, Maggie Holmes. Should recognize this one. And then Market Square, Maggie Holmes. So that's it. So this one is 45 ship, and this is PayPal, friends and family, US 18 years old or older. Please pay within an hour receipt of email confirmation, FP Handmade. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the videos, even if you're just watching. But if you're interested, be sure to email me. Is it hot where you are? It's almost 10 o'clock here, and it's always in California where I live, and it's already, I think it's at 82 degrees. So we're going to have a hot one. You guys take it easy. Drink clean air water if you're in the heat zone. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.